subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Lenovo-owned Motorola is reportedly working on its upcoming high-end device under the name Motorola Edge Plus. Recently, a popular leakster Evan Blass on his Twitter account shared a renders of upcoming Motorola phone with Stylus Pen, but he didn't mention the name of the device. And at present, we cannot say whether it is Motorola Edge Plus or not. There is also a leak spotted on the radio equipment list on Government of Canada that suggests the Motorola has Moto G Stylus in the work with the model number XT20434. If this is to be true, then this phone will be the company's first Android device to come with Stylus Pen. According to leak renders, it shows the phone has a punch hole on the display at the top left corner of a selfie camera, and the screen is protected by a curved glass on the top. The volume rockers along with the power button is visible on the right edge, while the left doesn't feature any buttons. The Stylus Pen with the smartphone appears to include additional buttons for gesture control. Apart from this, there is no other details of Motorola's upcoming smartphone with Stylus Pen has leaked so far. Talking about the release date, at present, Motorola has not revealed any details about their upcoming devices, but as the leaks have started rolling out, we can expect the company to launch new smartphones with Stylus Pen soon in the coming days. So, as of now, that's all we know about the Motorola's upcoming smartphone with Stylus Pen. And we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.